You're watching how to tag someone on Facebook story. Open the Facebook app and tap Create Story or swipe right from your news feed. Take a photo or video or select one from your gallery. Before sharing, tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen, a smiley face. In the sticker tray, find and select the @mentioned sticker. A text box will appear saying, "Who do you want to mention?" Start typing the name of the friend you want to tag. Facebook will suggest friends as you type. Tap on the correct friend's name from the suggestions. Their name will now appear as a tag on your story. You can move the tag sticker anywhere on the image by dragging it. You can also resize it by pinching. Tap the sticker again to change the text color or style if options are available. You can add multiple tags by tapping the @mentioned sticker again and repeating the process. When you're finished, tap Share to Story to publish. The tagged friend will receive a notification that they were mentioned in your story. When others view your story, they can tap on the tag. To go to that friend's profile, you can tag friends, pages, and groups you follow. If you don't see the @mentioned sticker, ensure your app is updated. Tags in stories are a great way to engage friends and give credit. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.